Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask in the world. We tested most of the masks on Amazon, so we had to resort to new places and locations. Today we're looking at FDA cleared masks. We went to the FDA's website, about 100 companies that have a legitimately cleared surgical mask. Remember, masks are cleared, they are not approved. A lot of people say FDA approved, and you know they don't know what they're talking about if they say that. So let's get it in the clamper and we'll talk more about this mask. This looks like kind of a cheaply made mask, but it's interesting they actually included their letter from the FDA, which is cool. So we'll take a look at that in this. What we did was we couldn't buy these masks on Amazon or on other places on the internet, so we reached directly out to the manufacturer and they sent us the masks. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. We are doing the ASTM test here. This is tested to ASTM Level 3, which means 98% or better on the mask. This is exactly the type of mask that we recommend. Now these guys are pretty cool because they actually showed us their 510K letter. So the Quindao Hainuo Biological Engineering Co., which is the actual manufacturing name of the company. They're selling under the brand Hynaut surgical mask. I don't love the packaging. It's kind of flopping all over the place. It's not very thick. I see it to be a little thicker. Wow, these are... So you can tell that they're not taking a lot of pride in the construction. They're using pretty cheap materials here. And look at how this is not centered. Anytime we see that, we know that that's not going to be, that they're going to be missing something. Oh, that's pretty good though. Anytime I see just the little things in a mask, when you look at it, if it doesn't add up, it usually means that maybe you shouldn't trust that mask. I also don't like that I can see the nose wire. That's just me though. I'm going to call this smell a mostly clean room because it's pretty clean smelling. But there's something there. I'm not exactly sure what. All right, remember, 98% or better. That's what they're claiming on the box. That's what they're claiming in their letter from the FDA. Remember, this company is an FDA-listed, FDA-cleared surgical mask company. Do they pass standards? That's what this machine is meant to tell. 84.237. 84.237. You know, what's crazy is that half of the masks, literally half of the masks that we have purchased from overseas manufacturers, we couldn't buy them on Amazon. Ones that we bought, that we looked at the FDA's website, found the manufacturer, asked them for their 510K mask, and when they show up here, half of them have failed standards. That's insane to me. I mean, that just tells you that it's really hard for the FDA. They can't police every single mask that comes in from abroad. There are hundreds of companies trying to sell to you, the consumer, and other medical consumers, hospitals. These are masks that go in hospitals, and it's not meeting standards. That is just absolutely mind-blowing to me. I thought maybe one or two would fail, but it's only one or two that have been passing standards here today. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you're enjoying this as much as I am, you should probably seek some sort of counseling. Maybe talk to a friend in need if you don't have that. There are a lot of programs available to you. I don't know why anyone cares so much about masks like I do. All right. I do appreciate your time and attention though, and you know, we're going crazy here. We're out there in the world trying to find every single mask and test it. So tomorrow will be another day that we test another mask, and I'll see you then at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Same time, same bat station.